Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a Telegram account on your phone step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once opened, you may be asked to allow some permissions, like access to manage phone calls or read call logs. After that, tap on Start Messaging. Now select your country and enter your phone number. Then tap Next and confirm your number. Telegram will send you a code by SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. Typically, on most phones, it will be filled in automatically if you're using the same phone. After that, enter your first name and your last name if you want. Then tap Next. You may see the terms of service. Just tap Accept to continue. And that's it. Your Telegram account is now created and ready to use. You may also need to allow some permissions, like access to contacts, to find friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.